Good morning. This is Trey. Getting a little bit of a late start. It's 10:14 in the morning. Going to try to get some trades on for the day. Usually don't like starting this late, so I don't know if we'll get into anything or not. But stay tuned, and if we get some live trades, I'll post them up here. All right, 1,000 shorts, CCXI, uh, 576. So we're looking to cover it to about 571. If we can't get that going, keep you posted. Alright, CCXI, this line here represents our cover. Currently trading at 574. So basically I sold short at 76 and looking to cover at 71. So selling high and buying low. If that makes any sense. Anyway, I'll get back with you. Alright, so we're still in CCXI, 1,000 short. Currently looking at CPHS. That's no. I've got a fishing order out at 355. Currently trading at 344. No prospect right now, but anyway, CCXI. We're still waiting on this. Look at this. I mean, the only reason I got into this stock short is because of how overextended the upside was. I mean, when you get a run like this, I don't know if you can see my mouse or not, but when you get a run up as green as that run was, uh, RGSE we just shorted at $4, and I'm out that quick. Wow, so glad I got that on camera. I actually put the order to sell at 395, and it got me at 392, and I made 80 bucks. Do you see that right there? Do you see what just happened? Because I don't even know what happened. Anyway, keep you posted on back to CCXI. Looky there, now it's running on us, so we'll see what happens with it. I'm about in the red as much as I just made, so hey, it's still a break-even day, so we're doing pretty good to be a late day. I usually when I start about 10:30 or 10:20, I don't trade as heavy just because um, you know I feel like if I miss the open, I'm out of my element. I'm out. I don't know what my stocks are doing. I don't. I don't get the vibes. So um, when I come in late for obvious reasons, meetings, whatever, I just take it easy. And but yeah, it could be my best day yet. Who knows? I don't know. I'll keep it paused. I'll be back. CCXI had a pretty good rejection to the upside right here. I look at that as kind of a pin bar. In the short term, candlesticks kind of mean something sometimes, so but sometimes they don't. But that was a rejection of the 580 level or the 580s in particular at the current time. Now it may pull back and then jump up in the 80s and on to the 90s. But as of right now, I take that as a symbol of that's going to go in my favor. Currently down $9, $10 in CCXI. So we'll see how this plays out. The spread's kind of weird on this one, so um, we'll just see what unfolds. Stay tuned. Get back with you. I'm liking this trade setup here on CCXI. So I've got another 1,000 short order to go on at 580. I don't know if we'll get there or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and build this position up a little bit. We're trading at 580 right now, but well, we were, but my order was never hit. We're still at 1,000 shares, but I'm willing to put another 1,000 shares on this. And there we go. got to 2,000 shares. I'll be right back with you. Just got shorts from the MRTX. Excuse me. 1,000 shares. We're currently trading 715. We're looking for a pullback back down to about 701. I'll let you know how that goes here in just a second. CCXI is moving against me pretty good. I'm building a position into this. That's a cheaper stock at $5.82. I do not mind building a position to reap a bigger score when I do cover my shares. So we're teeter-tottering on trying to get to $6. So will we reach that number? Usually, if we do get up to a whole number like $6, it'll be a pretty good, be a lot of volatility. So hopefully I'll be able to get in and out of that. CCXI currently 3,000 shares short, $309 in the red at the current moment. So stay tuned. MRTX negative 80 at the moment. Here's our line. We look like we're getting ready to do something. I don't know if we're gonna, if buyers are coming in here, or we're gonna pull back. So we'll just have to let this one ride for a minute. I'm getting the vibe that we're gonna pull back. We'll just have to wait and see. We're pulling back now. See there? I don't know if we'll pull back to 701. We're currently 709. Yeah, oh, there we go. We're coming in close. 704. Just a few more cents, and we'll have it. Keep you posted. MRTX, 1,000 shares. We're down $20. Looks like we may be capturing an exit here. 703. Our exit 701. Looking for 5 cents here on 1,000 shares, which would be $50 profit. Down $20 currently. So stay tuned. We just bounced back to 705. So I don't know what's going to happen. So stay tuned. Sorry I lost that. Currently trading at $7. I did not capture the exit on film. I'm sorry, or on camera. But anyway, I forget what time I told you I came in. It's currently 10:33 a.m. So we're doing pretty good. We've got 130 close. We're down 369 in an open trade. So interesting enough, CCXI, I really liked it too. That whole pin bar thing that I was telling you about earlier. Just forget I ever said that. I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. Just it's amazing how much I'm wrong in this game, but still profitable. Just make goofy calls like, oh, there's a pin bar. We may have a nice pullback, which sometimes it works, but usually on the lower time frames, it's not really um, as accurate, I would say. Looked good though. Be a nice rollover if you could see this pin bar right here, and then it roll over for a pullback into here. It would just look clean for buyers, but it just didn't happen. And you'd like to see those setups, but they just don't work. But we're leveling off here in the 90s, so it was a good decade, the 90s. Anyhow, I didn't even know. I had no clue. And stocks and trading the stock market was something that in the 90s was a fairy tale. I knew my dad was into it, but somehow, I guess, but I never thought about it or even wanted to even imagine it, I guess. But anyhow, I'll quit rambling and pause it. Come back when something happens. Don't know what just happened there. CCXI is selling off pretty good. Um, I meant to get it earlier, but my camera wouldn't come on. That's what I meant by I don't know what's going on. I know what's going on in the market. We're selling off, but sorry, I'm just out of it today. I'm out of my element. I'm telling you, when I do not start the open, when I do not trade the open, I'm an idiot. So this is just, I've already had 50 cups of coffee. I'm I'm wired. I'm crazy, so um, it's just the way it goes. But anyway, I'll get back to you on this one. It looks like we might be getting out though. So sorry, just missed that. It happened so fast. I can't ever get the camera and everything to work out the way I want it to. Just for the purposes of recording. I really just record this for myself so I can go back and find my mistakes of the day. And if people want to watch it, that's why I put it out there. I want to, if somebody can take something from this, learn something from this, then by all means, it's out there. My goal is $300 to $400 a day. That's my living situation. So if that keeps the job away, I'm not trying to go out here and buy a yacht or buy a boat and you know do these crazy things. I drive regular cars. I live in a small house, and it's just I stay very conservative. Could do I have enough? Can I trade more? Do I? Just look at my Twitter feed. You'll see plenty of days where I've had $700 days and $1,000 days. But that's rare. I need to make $360. I need to make $300 to $400 a day. In order to sustain my family. So that's what I go for. Anything else is, you know, if I lived in New York, I need to make $1,500 a day. But I live in North Carolina, and expenses are not too terrible. We're kind of out in the country, so it's nice. Anyway, $360. You witnessed it. Current time is 10:39. 9/27, 2016. This is Trey Campbell, and I am signing off. Good day.